Okay, count the gingerbread men. Count them out loud.
Round 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10,
11.
12, 13, 15,
14.
14,
15.
15,
16. 17. 18. 19. 20.
20.
Can you try again?
1. That never have a lollipop.
Can you count them?
I want to count lollipops.
You want to count the lollipops? Okay, count the lollipops.
1, 2, 3.
Okay, can you count the candy?
That's a candy. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10,
11.
12, 13, 15,
13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Can you count the flags?
those are flags.
Yeah. Start with the pink one on the end and count all the flags.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10,
11.
11, 12.
12. Good job.
That's 2.
Yay, Pierce, you are so smart.
I know.
You know?
Yeah. Oops. I know this.
I'm glad you know this.
Now